Hello and welcome back to our channel Wistworthy. Today we are going to unbox and review a dress watch from Tissot. I purchased this watch from Tata Click Luxury some time back, and this is how the watch was delivered to me. Let's find out what do we have in the box. Packaging feels premium and looks like Tata Click has given a lot of time and thought to enhance the unboxing experience. Now let's open the ribbon. When we order something from Tata Click Luxury, we usually get a welcome letter. And here is an envelope. Let's open it. And here is our watch box. And I'm not sure what is this. And this is our watch box. Tissot watches typically come in a sturdy, high-quality outer box. The box is made from sturdy cardboard with a matte finish, and it feels solid. Inside the box, we have our watch. Let's take this out. And here we have our warranty card for the watch and the user manual. The watch comes with 2 years of warranty. Let's remove the tags and the plastic from the watch. The watch looks simply amazing. Let's first check the dimensions. Dial size is 38 mm. Thickness is 6.5 mm. And lug width is 19 mm. The case is made up of 316L stainless steel. And the glass is sapphire crystal. This is probably the best thing I like about the Tissot. Every watch they make, they use sapphire crystal. I purchased this watch during the sale and I paid about 13,500 rupees for the watch, which is equal to $160 US. And I must admit, it is a steal for this price. Now let's take a closer look to the dial. The dial looks very clean and the indices are printed. And dial has Roman numerals. The watch uses a Swiss quartz movement. The dial is black in color and has a texture like a sandstone. The hands have a silver color finish, which makes it easy to read even in low light conditions. The watch lacks a date window, but seriously, what more can you expect in this price range? The watch comes with a leather strap, and the quality of the leather strap is really good, and it feels like it will age very well. The buckle has Tissot written on it. Now let's take a quick look to the back of the watch. The watch is 30 meter water resistant, and this is the reference number for the watch. The watch carries a very slim profile and will be ideal for those who like thin watches. The crown is push and pull and has Tissot logo on it. Now it's time to find out whether it's wrist-worthy or not. So this is how the watch looks on my 7-inch wrist. I must say, the watch sits really well on the wrist and it's very lightweight. You can easily wear it for longer durations without even noticing it. Now let's check how it looks against the Timex Expedition North. And this is how it goes with Casio G-Shock Digital. And this is how it goes against the Omega Seamaster Pro. Let's try on some different leather straps as well. In conclusion, 38mm dial makes it a perfect choice for him or her or both. As the name indicates, the watch will be the winner every time for any occasion. A classical, timeless design, the sleek and clean face of the Tissot Everytime singles it out as a very modern watch. The cool minimalism of the face leaves room for some fun experimentation with the other straps. If you are on the hunt for an everyday watch that combines a reliable Swiss movement on a budget, your quest ends here. That's it for our review of Tissot Everytime. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. For more reviews and unboxings, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay wrist-worthy.